Hi, Bo here from High Tech Investment, and in today's video we have some great news. EXPERT4X is ready with the copy trading link accounts that we have been looking forward to for quite a few months now. And if you start this video and haven't seen any of my previous ones, I will give you a bit of feedback here. So EXPERT4X is basically robot trading that we are talking about here. Different types of robots, or also called expert advisors, EAs, where you can go in and you can buy your own robots, EAs, and then trade different types of currencies, indexes, metals, you name it. Obviously, we understand that this can be quite difficult. It's quite time consuming also to try and set this up. Obviously, you need trading accounts and many other things. You have to understand about the leverage. You have to understand about the lot sizing. And it's not for everybody also to constantly monitor these robots. So what EXPERT4X has done is in their premium forum, and this is a paid premium forum, you have to be a member, and I'll show you exactly how you can do that a bit later in the video. So the whole idea here is that you have experienced traders or traders that have good understanding of certain robots, and you can then copy their signals. So all this happens within the premium forum of EXPERT4X. It has been going on for quite a long time, and there's certain rules that has to be in place in order both to provide a signal and also that you can link up with one. So to make sure that you don't blow your account at the first opportunity here. You have all the options of going in and having a look at the links. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly where to find it, all the links that is required. If you want to know more about EXPERT4X and all the robots, you will also be able to see this. So just a short video on saying that this is launched. And obviously we're going to monitor this, and we'll see more videos coming out from Alex also in the future. The best place to start here now would be on the High Tech Investment website, where you have more details and information, including a whole range of links that you're going to need. So let's get started and jump over there. So the front page of the High Tech Investment website looks like this. As always, when you log in with us, you have the news report, that the latest on all our projects, and also the copy trading has a spot in here every single week, and this is put out on Fridays. And then we have any news videos that is coming out. But let's go to the portfolio itself. And in here you simply scroll down until you reach the profit retriever, and you click this particular one. You now get a bit of detailed information on the profit retriever EA, and on top of this we have also our own videos in here. So exactly where we are checking and testing the copy trading signals. So that is also a good place to start off if you want to know a bit more about it. As you can see, we have quite a few videos covering this, both on the backtesting and results from previous. And then we have the last 4 weeks of profits, and if we just have a quick look into this one here, we'll see that these are the profits for week 35, and all these weeks will be updated on our website as we go on. So this is just the top 5. Below we will then have certain videos that EXPERT4X and Alex has put out, and this is a very important one here. So where you can open up a cent account, you can actually get $20 or $200 turning into 26,000. That is definitely an option if you want to start with less than the normal required 10,000 most of the time for most accounts. And then you will also see a couple of videos that are explaining the profit retriever, because this is the main one that are in the signals. There is a couple of ones on the trend trader, but basically more than 90% is all the profit retriever, as it works extremely well compared to many other robots. It simply cashes in month after month. So if you want to copy the signals, it's still a very good idea to understand how the robot works, and you'll get a feel for watching some of these videos here. On top of this, we have testing since March. We started off with a range of different EAs, a range of different currencies to try and test the robot out, and that's why we are so quite impressed with it. If you click the individual links here, it will take you to an FX Blue site for the statements that will tell you exactly the account statement at the moment, how well it's doing, if it's in a drawdown, how much profit it has made over the last week and over the last month. So definitely also something to have a look at, just to check and see how the EA is working. And then at the bottom of the site here, we have a link where you can buy the Profit Retriever. So in case that you say, well, yeah, I want to try this out myself, I don't want to just copy other traders. You have that option, so simply click this one here. If you want to know more about the EXPERT4X and all the EAs and the entire homepage, you find the next link there. Today we want to sign up for the premium forum, so if you haven't done that, otherwise we will log into it and I will show you exactly what you need to find. So if you click this particular one, it will now take you to this page here, and that will basically tell you what it is that you're buying. In this case, it's 39.9 a month you get, and all these benefits down here is part of the monthly fee. You can also pay yearly, and they will tell you that in a second. So you have an opportunity also to buy different robots at a discount once you are a premium forum member. So the money that you put in there is well given out if you're going to buy a robot or two. And down here you can see how to join the club, and there's also a Q&A here where you can go in and learn a bit more about it. But we're going to jump straight to the premium advanced forum, and the easiest way to go there is simply click this one here. So now that we got into the forum here, it starts off and tells you to become a premium forum member for $39.95 a month. You simply follow this particular one. So as you click through it, you will see why you should join. And there's a range of different reasons, as we said, also on the web page here. You can become a premium member here. So click another time and you will be in here. That will now tell you in more detail what exactly how it works, and you will also see some of the prices down here. So annually it's 205, and effective monthly rate will then only be $17, and you can join in here. And on top of that, you can also pay in crypto, and then the price is slightly lower, as you can see. But let's jump back and have a closer look, see where we can go in and actually find all these signals. So we're back out in the main forum again, and as we scroll down, we get to step 2. And in here you can see the premium membership benefits, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so on. And you can obviously still have a look at this. Some of it is actually accessible without being a premium forum member. Other parts are locked out. And we go down to this particular part where it says the premium forum robot trading accounts link service, and that's the one we're going to use today. So click this one, and next one you get in here is a little welcome. So go and have a look at that one and just familiarize yourself with the platform. You can download the receiving robot here. So that is the robot you have to attach to an MT4 basically chart, so that the robot will be linked up with the individual traders, and it will start your trades similar as the trader itself. And then on top of this, you now can see the accounts trades provided that you can link to, and this is the important link that you need to have. And in here you will see that it's divided up into multiple sections. So the medium to high risk account links are here. High risk return options, the non-Forex account options, these are gold, silver indexes and other portfolio considerations. So if we have a quick look into the medium to high account link service, and you have to click this one once more, you now get a range of links in here. and this will give you the signal provider. It will give you the gains that it has over which period of time. The monthly gains of 41% here. The starting capital is required, and we say all of them are set up with normally 10,000. You can see there's only one link 30, which is at 1,000, and it also comes from a different broker, and it trades the trend trader instead here. So the trade either continuous or day trader, and then you can go in and set up a cent account if you want these 10,000 as starting capital, but doesn't have the original 10,000. So then you have the recent equity. So for this particular account, the gains on drawdown in percentage and the worst drawdown in both money-wise and percentage-wise, the currencies that are being traded and the robot are being traded together with the leverage and the broker used for this particular one. From here, you simply go into the individual links and it takes you again to the FX Blue site. And from there, you can monitor the signal and decide if this is actually something good for you and you agree with the way the trades are going. Then you can copy and link it up with it. But if you go back for a short period of time and have a look at some of the other ones here, you will have high risk return options. So you will have a few links in here that provide, as you can see, good capital gains. There's 3 in there: 101% over 113 days, 120% over 51 days, and 103% over 42. Again, all capital 10,000. Equity is quite high. They seem to have been doing quite well. And then you can have a look at the drawdown, but obviously in this particular case, $15,000 drawdown and $14,000 drawdown is quite high, which means that you need a higher capital in order to start these signals. But you can adjust that in there, and Alex is telling a bit more about on how to set up. So I will not cover that one today. He's got quite a few details in here. The non-Forex account option is also the metals and Forexes links as we have for the indexes. And this one we have, so this is gold, the next one is silver, and the last one is the index US 30, all again profit retriever, 10,000 capital. So there's plenty of links to start off with here. And the last one is portfolio considerations, where you have further ones that you can also go and have a look at, and you will see them in here. Again, if you notice, all of the starting capitals is again 10. All of them are profit retrievers. These are the ones that people seems to be most happy with, and it has certainly proven to be a very stable EA over a long period of time. In here also in the forum you have more links, and there's obviously a lot of video material. There's a lot of information from Alex and EXPERT4X on how this particular link system works. So if we just take a quick step back here and have a look where to download the receiver robot, you simply click the link here and then you come into the forum again. So download the link, you do that here. You can see more on the account sizing and delivering requirements, leverage requirements for the robots, and how to run the setup visit. Basically start on this particular one, and then it'll tell you here that like all EXPERT4X robot, the link account receiver robot is a licensed software and can be downloaded from the EA factory website. You'll be entitled to 3 free link accounts with this version of the receiver robot. You can only use a particular signal once, and then if you want more links, so 7 links on a bundle is $20 in here, and 10 links is $30 per month, available through the EA website. And where you can then accounts you can link to is the ones that we just went through, and here you can then download the receiving robot, and after clicking the about download, it will take you to a page. It will explain to you exactly what you need to do: sign in or register, whatever it is, do the registration form, and then at the bottom here you will also see the configurations for this particular one. And then how to set the receiver robot up is basically through the setup wizard. We're not going to go through that one today. It is very well documented within the forum itself. We might do a video for that in the future, but right now we'll leave that to EXPERT4X. So this video was all about introducing you to the EXPERT4X copy trading link account service here, saying that is actually online and showing you how you can actually enter this by the EXPERT4X forum and websites. And obviously you can go and have a closer look, see if you want to trade it yourself. Otherwise, things are moving, and obviously there's tutorials already with EXPERT4X are showing you all the different steps on how you can get started. If you are interested in being or becoming a trader for the signals in the future, what you have to do here is basically send EXPERT4X an email saying you would like them to consider some of your links. You have to make sure that they are linked up with FX Blue, so Alex and the team can actually see how good these expert signals are, and then you will be let in also as a premium forum member. So, but for that, obviously you need the robot to make trades, and you need to run this for a minimum of 25 days and have a reasonable positive results before you're going to be considered for this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this gave you a good idea of how you can actually get involved in trading without sitting day and night and analyzing charts. So you can rely on robots and people that understand how to set them up. You can obviously see all their results before you link it up. But at the end of the day, there is always a risk, and that risk is also being addressed by EXPERT4X to make sure that you can set up cent accounts instead of using 10,000 accounts at a time. So that is one way of getting started. You can even just set up demo accounts and then link a couple of services up here just to see how this is working, and then later on you can put real money behind it. Yeah, so it's always a good idea not to rush into something until you fully understand it yourself. And as we said, there's also a lot of video material on our website where you can go in and you can understand and know a bit more about especially the profit retriever. Obviously on EXPERT4X, there's also a lot on the trend trader. Go in, figure out how the robot actually works, how the traders are doing this. And from there on, you can obviously link your accounts up. So I wish you the best of luck with this and hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye.